Assalamu Walaikum. Hello friends, how are you? Welcome back to my another video. In this video, I am going to show you how to put text in front of picture in Microsoft Excel. Let's get started. At first, you have to open your Excel workbook, go to the insert menu, select the picture option, choose this device. Then select your picture and insert it. Now you can see here the image. Now I am click right button and cut the image. Then resize initial. Now I am resize the cell. Then select the cell and go to the insert menu. Select shape option and choose rectangle. Then draw the rectangle to this cell. Press and hold the Alt. Click the shape and go to the shape format menu. Choose shape outline, make no outline. Select the shape format option and select the fill and select picture or texture fill. Then select the clipboard option. And then write anything to this cell. Now I am write any text. Now we can see we put text in front of image easily. I hope you enjoyed my video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.